Hello, I'm the Budget Modder and this is episode 10 of my Revell Lockheed PV-1 Ventura build for Models for Heroes. If you're watching this, then please subscribe to my channel, give the video a like, leave a comment and ring my bell. That would be brilliant. Thank you. To begin with, we'll be gluing the bomb bay doors on closed. I'm using PVA as this is only for spraying the underside and protecting the bomb bay. So without further ado, let's crank up the speedy uppy thing and crack on! There we go, that's glued, and we'll put that to one side and leave it overnight to dry. So whilst that's drying, we'll start the mottling on the underside of the wings. I'm using a very thinned down version of Tamiya XF57 buff, and I'm using my Hardened Steenbeck airbrush at about 10 psi. So let's crack on and get this lot done. One down, one to go. That's both wings mottled. Because that was a thin layer, it dries really quickly. So now for the white overcoat. This is also a very thin layer of Tamiya XF2 white. I hate spraying white with a passion. It always turns out pants for me, but keep persevering, keep practicing, it should be okay. So here goes. Well, that's the first thin layer down. Bit wet in places, but looking okay at the moment. Turned out a bit powdery, as you can see on a photo, so what I'm going to do is give them a quick clean with IPA, see if that helps. That seems okay. Now to give them another coat of white. I gave them both another 2 coats. We'll let those dry and see how they come out. Now to prep the underside for its primer coat, a clean with IPA and it should be ready. There we go, that's prepped and ready for primer. And, as if by magic, that's the first coat of primer done. Now, what I'm going to do is mask up the drop tanks ready for their first colour. These have already been primed using a rattle can. That's them ready for spraying, but before we do that, we're going to spray the fuel cap with Alclad's dark aluminium, ready for chipping, and I thought we might as well do the prop while we're here, so let's crack on with those. There we go, props and drops done. Now we'll let those dry, and in the meantime we can crack on with giving the drop tanks their first coat of intermediate blue. I'm using Revell's number 79 blue grey here, so let's do this. There we go, both drop tanks have their first coat on. Seeing as I've now run out of video to edit, real life and all that, this is going to be a shorter than usual. So, thank you for watching episode 10. If you'd want to see what happens in episode 11, please subscribe to my channel, help it grow, like the video, leave a comment and ring my bell. Remember folks, stay safe, keep on modelling.